Hey Matt.
Hey Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to talk about hypothetical situations in the present.
Okay.
Matt, what's wrong?
My girlfriend broke up with me last night.
Oh, no, that's terrible. I'm so sorry. How long were you together?
3 days.
Oh.
If we were still together, I would be so happy. If she just sent me one text, then maybe I would get back together with her.
Oh no. But cheer up. Did you realize you just used the second conditional?
I did.
You did. Let me show you. To talk about the hypothetical present, you used if plus the past simple, then would plus the verb. You're talking about something that's not true now. It's imaginary or hypothetical.
I know it's not true. You don't have to remind me.
Oh.
But you're right. What if I wanted to talk about something that will likely happen? You know, like me being alone forever.
Well, then you would use the first conditional instead.
Okay, and I can change the order? We would still be together if she loved me more.
Good sentence, but a bit depressing.
So, what did we learn? Other than how miserable I am.
Well, we learned how to talk about hypothetical present situations using the second conditional.
What now?
Well, how would you feel if we went out for a drink?
That would be great.
Okay, let's go.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.